Hi guys, I'm here to show you what to do to get your assignment. So you're going to open up Chrome, make sure it's in Chrome. A lot of things won't work otherwise. You're going to make sure you go to neist.net. You're going to click Launchpad. In Launchpad, you're going to need to sign in like you normally do. Your Launchpad will probably look different from mine because I'm the teacher and you're the student. Keep that in mind as I open up other things as well. You're going to go into your Google Classroom. Once you open up Google Classroom, you are going to have assigned classwork. So this assigned classwork is under the topic of distance learning. You will open it, and here is your actual distance learning. Now, you will see that you actually got your own copy. Everyone got their own copy, much like we did in the adaptations project, where everybody got their Google Slides put in for them. So you do not need to make a copy. You don't need to edit it in PDF form. Okay, just use the copy that I have given you. Once you open it up, it's going to tell you several things. The first thing you need to recognize is that there are 3 questions on this page you must answer and then turn in before I give you the Google Form link. Yes, I'm on to some of you. I realize that some of you did not do any work last week. You just simply answered the 5 questions. So, in order to make sure you're actually getting the lesson, I want you to do the lesson before you get the Google Form link. Make sure you're accessing it on Chrome browser, like I already said, what to do. So it's telling you to complete those lessons. Now, here's the step that I want you to realize, especially if you're working today, is that when you go to EduSmart in your science folder, you actually are going to have 2 assignments right now because I assigned supplemental EduSmarts last week and they don't expire until 4 o'clock today. So right now it could be confusing. You do not need to do this EduSmart. This was supplemental. Does that make sense? However, this one that's which is labeled March 30th through April 3rd, is the one that you're doing today for this week. So this is your actual assignment. When you click it, you'll actually hit start lesson, and then it'll go through the student review. It'll go through this student review. The glossary is something that I don't think you've used before in the past. I really like it because of the way that you can actually interact with the actual glossary. Anytime this closes, you can just open it back up. So you're going to go through. Now, understand that the entire district is accessing Launchpad right now, so it may go down briefly. It's okay, no stress. You have a week, all right? Once you have completed your STEM, your EduSmart over here, then you may go in to your assignment right here, and you're going to answer these 3 questions. Do not be broad in your answers, be specific. So specifically answer, do I need complete sentences? No, I don't need complete sentences, but I do need you to be specific. Use your vocabulary words, if nothing else. So right here, especially, already grading some of them, you are not using those actual words that we use to describe organisms according to their energy use. How do they get their energy? Do they eat plants? Do they eat animals? Do they eat animals that eat plants? There are vocabulary words that you have learned, okay? This is also going to be helpful to you is the picture vocabulary like we've used in the past. So this is also helpful to you. You can use this to answer your questions. You can also use this for your Google Classroom, for your Google Form, excuse me. Once you have done that, you're going to turn in. So once you, oh, sorry, my fault. So once you've actually gone into the assignment, you need to click the turn in button, okay? So once you turn it in, it's going to show me that you've turned it in. Let me go to one of my class periods that I've already done. So in my classwork, I show that these people have turned it in. So once they turned it in, I actually go in and I give them a private comment that shows the Google form. You will get your Google form link in your private comment. Okay, so that is where you're going to go to get to your Google form. The Google form is what is actually needing to be completed for the grade. So EduSmart is actually just the lesson that you need to know, and then the Google form is the one you have to complete. Make sure you ask me any questions. Currently, I haven't had a whole lot of questions other than it's not working. Give it some patience and some time, okay? Otherwise, if you feel the need to have a Zoom conference, I am happy to Zoom conference with you. I can also send you just a quick um, video like this, kind of answering your question for you. So be sure to communicate with me. Also turn on your notifications for your Google Classroom. That way when I comment on your work, you're going to get it back and you're going to know that you got it back because it sends you a notification. All right, guys, I miss you so much. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're being safe. Stop having sleepovers. Stop having play dates. I know you don't call them play dates in 7th grade, but all the same, okay? Be safe. Take this very seriously. I miss you guys so much, and I want you to know how much I care about you, okay? So don't get sick. Please be careful. Love you guys. Talk to you later.